is like one coat. Oh, it's kind of a bronze golden,
like
rose colors. It's so cool. So it doesn't matter whatever background you have, it's gonna turn out really, really cool though. I am loving it. So do not care yet. So we're not using a cat eyes tool. Just right. You don't have to do anything is difficult or complicated at all. Just need to do it. Just put your cat eyes tool right in the middles and angle it like about 45-degree angle. You can create this really cool. It's stunning already. And then you can play with this however you want. I just want to show you the simple. Just point it out. You can, or you can do is like cover at cat eyes, you know, is effects. So if you want a really precise line of a look at a cat eyes like that, you can just point it in straight, like I'm in 45-degree angle with your tool, and then you are good to go. Here for 60 seconds. And then we're going to top coat it. We're going to do one nail at a time so then we can all follow with the design. So I'm going to top coat it after a 60 second. And I'm so excited because we're going to do this golden is touch. No, I'm sorry. Golden and deep green for the 3D flowers. So in the meantime, waiting for that, we are going to use the 3D brush. Top coat, and when we finish, we'll apply the top coat on and cure for 30 seconds. Okay. All right. I'm so excited. So now we are going to get these Goldens is 40 gels, and it's super easy, tag free. It's no tacky layer after you finish, and also it's really easy, and you have all the time in the world to create it and to sculpting your designs without have to worry about it's gonna get set, or it's getting like, oh my god, it's getting dry, or it's gonna getting set before you even get chance to touch it. So I'm gonna do 2 beads. And you don't need any other solution at all, just 2 beads. I'm gonna do 2 or 3 2 beads. Okay. And here is door 3D. Wanna do this is really a perfect for is 40 sculpting in the design. So we're gonna press it down, and if you see on the sides like a 45-degree angle, and press it down and release. Same thing with this. And then keep in mind, you can do many petals as you wish. You can do is like roses, as a lot of video I share. You can also do like sunflowers. You can do all different petals for different flowers as well. So press it down, release, and then you're gonna using the tip of yours 3D dual brush, and just draw the light right here. Press and release, and it's really simple. If you want your petal to be bigger, absolutely you can just add more 40 gels. As the best thing about 40 gels that is not going to cure until you are going to place it under the LED light. And you don't have to doing is heavy-handed, just really gentle. And let's go, gentles, and let's go. I'm gonna blend it, because we're gonna do some crystal placements right here. All right, so flash cure for is 30 seconds. Hey Angelas, how are you? Hi Dom. Thank you Mika for the website post. And then we are going to move on to the next colors to mix a little couple leaves, or you can just leave it alone like that. It looks great as well. I'm gonna pick just a little bit. Just for your information, when I doing this, I show you the colors, but then when you're doing your clients, make sure you close the lid so you don't have it sit on your desk for ever and ever, because it's going to harden by any LED lamp that you're using. So I picked two like smaller beads, just like smaller portions, and then you roll it to make it your beads round and place it in. Now I'm gonna close this because I don't want to clear 40 gels. Just all right. So coming back with the tool, I'm gonna press it down and release. Press down and release. All right. You can add more. You can make your leaves bigger, smaller. I just want to meet it right there where the cat eyes is. I'm absolutely loving it. All right, flash here, 30 seconds. And then I'm gonna using a little frame. This one looks cute. You can add a bigger frame. Oh, that's super cute already. So I can do this one. I'm gonna use this shape for the designs. The S shape for this is my favorites. I don't want it to use all of them, but also there's so many in here. This is the it is the Glow in the Dark Kids #1. Absolutely is everything. All right, so I'm gonna put that one on the side, and sorry, keep here. And we are going to using the condensed glue gel, the first step from Crystal Trifecta, and really simply apply thin coat. I say thin, which means that not too thin. Also, it's not too thick, because you do not want too thin. It's not going to adhere your crystal properly. If you do it too thick, it's gonna flood your crystal. So if you know exactly where you want your crystal, which is I always know where I want it, but then I always add more. Just me, because I know some of you really knows where you want it, but I know, and I say, okay, I'm gonna do this crystal. I drop it out, and I always add more, of course. So to be safe, I always doing it whole entire nails. It then takes a lot of the condensed glue gel, because this is really thick density, so you don't need a whole lot, so it lasts you forever. And little go a long way. You are going to use enough, not too much. And I'm gonna floating the white top coat right on the top of the unclear condensed glue gels, okay? And you do not need to cap yours is 40, because your 40 is already a set. I am go ahead and use this frame from the Glow in the Dark Crystal Kits. So obsessed with that. And then we are going to using, oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. I want that one. Like this is from a Glow in the Dark in SS12. And then adds the edge lines on from the Glow in the Dark kits right next to that two cute petals there. Hey, you can add more as you prefer. Definitely, it's gonna always looks like dramatic when you add more crystal on. But if your clients just want really simple, they don't want to cover completely the cat eyes. All right, I think I'm good. It's really simple, right? It's really easy and simple to do, and you still see your cat eyes along with your crystals. It's not covers at all. All right, I'm gonna cure. Really want another one.